Alright guys and gals, Inline fabrication, they are performance reloading equipment. Alright, for this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my Redding powder measure stand and I'm going to mount it on top of this quick change system top plate by Inline Fabrication. At the end of this video, I'll take you to Inline Fabrication's website. I'll show you how to select the top plate that you need for your particular piece of equipment. Now, there's three reasons why I want to do this. The first off is with my new live stream Bible studies. This is where I sit. This is just too close, alright? The next reason I want to do this, I have this same system set up onto my Lee Deluxe Perfect Powder Measure, and it's ergonomically correct to the human body. It's very convenient and it's solid, okay? The third reason I want to make this mobile is when I'm doing my live streams, there's times that I'm moving my equipment and I don't want to move that camcorder. So that would mean I could have my powder measure sitting to the side of the docking station, and I can pull it into view when I need it. When I'm done, then I would remove this back, and then I can move my press wherever I need it. So what Inline Fabrication does is they set you up to where you can utilize your bench space more efficiently. This is how this works. These two plates are a complete system. The bottom plate, this is the flush mount quick change base plate. As you see, they are what enable you to move the equipment. It's this quick change system top plate that is specific to your piece of equipment. Once you have this matched to that piece of equipment, then you can move it where you want. These two plates together, this is the quick change press mounting system, and I highly recommend it. So what we're going to do is going to go ahead and going to unmount my powder measure stand from the bench. Alright, Dan has made this so easy that even a reloader can do this, okay? Probably not so much a caveman, but a reloader, yes. Okay, so all your installation hardware is provided. You'll need a 7/16 socket, 5/32 Allen wrench. It'll go something like this. We'll just, well, you know, probably start with this bolt first. We'll go up underneath. Go up underneath the top plate like that. Then here we go. We'll take the powder measure stand just like that. Now, if you need to swap over, you know, to your dominant hand. All right. So bolt underneath. Stand onto the plate. Make sure the tongue is in the correct position with the stand. Okay. Then we're going to free up our dominant hand. Okay. Damn it! It's got a nice pistol. Ruger Super Blackhawk. Next, you'll need flat washer. Damn it! It really is so easy. A reloader can do this. Oh my gosh. That is so awesome. Watch this. It goes right through the stand. Another flat washer. Another nut. Oh man. Sucked to be a caveman though. Okay. All right. I like that. That is nice. This is definitely more ergonomically correct to me. Dan has brought it to where it's just off the edge of the bench, higher up. You know, if you had a bracket on the side, it would be just too low. Or with this, you got the stand. The stand is up by you. It's off the bench, and it's just become modular. Very nice. So nice, even a reloader like me can do this. So what do you say we go in and take a look at Dan's website, and I'll show you how to specifically order the quick change system top plate. Let's go. Alright, so now we're at Inline Fabrication's website, and I'm going to show you how to select the correct quick change system top plate for your specific piece of equipment. So we're going to go up here, starting at the main page. We're going to select Products, and you will see Quick Change Press Mounting System. Click on that. Now, we're going to scroll down. The first plate that you need, this is the Flush Mount Quick Change Base Plate. You'll need that. That's universal. Now, one thing that I would recommend, this riser plate, this riser plate is for the flush mount base plate. What it does is it gives a little more height on this base plate, because some of these quick change system top plates, they have a thicker tongue on them for heavier presses. So if you just default to purchasing this riser plate and you place it under the base plate, then you can run any of the quick change system top plates that you want. So now, to figure out which quick change system top plate you need, click on Quick Change System Top Plates right there. Come over here and you will select your model right here. Hit the drop down arrow, and the one that I used today was number 70. That is for the Redding RS6 powder measure stand. And as you see, whatever you have for equipment, if Dan doesn't have it, he can make it for you. Now, a few things to show you. Go to Product, go to Quick Change, Press Mounting System, go to the bottom. I will show you $10 t-shirts. Buy them like you stole them. That's my favorite t-shirt right there. Here you go. Scratch and Dent Corner. Blemish Scratch Products. Blemish Scratch Quick Change System Top Plates. Discounted. Check them out. Check Dan's website out. Does a good job. Everything that you get from Inline Fabrication, Dan makes. He
He checks it all over. He is his quality control, and he's an awesome guy. So there you go. All right, guys and gals, that's the end of this video. God bless. We'll see you on the next.